This video is about how you can feed results of patient either from the dropdown or from input, and how you can set the default values for the test. Let's go to the test setup and click on test. Click on edit, and right from the detail section you can either choose the input and you can set the default value either to 7, either to positive, or any number. And if you want to use the drop down instead, you can click on select. You write down the options separated by comma, for example positive, negative, unclear. And you can also set the default result for the selection just like this. This is the default selection. And please make sure that while setting up default result for a drop down, you keep in mind that this value should be the case sensitive. For example, if you write the negative with capital N, the default result should have the capital N. That's all. Thank you very much.